The house is quiet now. The children groan, their laughter drifting somewhere far away. 2 cups still rest upon the table worn, where evening light grows soft at close of day. They speak in whispers more than words these years. A look, a smile, a hand that understands. Through silent storms, through hopes and hidden fears, they learn to walk through life with steady hands. Yet step by step they chose the path as one. For love is less in vows than daily care, in simple deeds that quietly are done. So side by side beneath the fading sky, they watch the tide of passing seasons flow. No need for words when time is drifting by. The road was never smooth, nor is always fair. 2 hearts still warm in twilight's gentle glow, and when the final sunset meets the sea, they sit in peace where golden waters bend. A quiet smile, a hand still resting free. 2 souls together, faithful to the end.